Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both machines. Enable remote desktop on Windows and confirm the user account and password you'll use. On Windows, open Settings, go to Remote Desktop and toggle it on. Note the IP4 address via ipconfig. On Linux, install an RDP client like Remina or extricate and verify network connectivity with ping. Once done, launch the client and create a new connection entry so you can fill host, username, and select RDP protocol before moving to authentication. Now configure the connection details in your Linux RDP client. Enter the Windows IP4 address and leave port 3389 unless modified. Choose authentication. Network-level authentication, NLA, is more secure. Use plain password only if NLA fails. Adjust display resolution and enable clipboard and drive sharing so files copy both ways. If you need sound or printers, enable those channels. Once configured, save the profile and initiate the connection. Watch for certificate prompts and accept or import the server certificate when appropriate. Connect using the saved profile and enter credentials when prompted. You should see the Windows desktop after authentication. If the connection fails, verify Windows Firewall allows remote desktop and that the remote desktop service is running. Also confirm both machines share the same LAN or VPN. For deeper diagnostics, run extricate with verbose flags or check client logs to identify TLS, credential, or protocol mismatches. A key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable firewall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.